So,
Okay.
hello everyone, this is like Omkar, and we're going to start this live streamings, and in which we'll be practicing English, and obviously we'll with the whatever like we speak over here will be on YouTube forever, and these streams will like help us gain the and help us practice the English and help us get the whatever the opportunities we will be missing or whatever opportunities we are missing because of not speaking in English. So here we have Gitanjali, and please add some of the your points. We'll then end up this video.
So, hello guys, this is Gitanjali, and I'll be the partner of Omkar. I mean, we both, and I think there's someone else also. So, we three of us will be recording the videos, and basically, we will be talking on some. I mean, basically, we will be communicating on some topics on, or we will be debating.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. These are the only things which will be doing,
Yeah.
and obviously we are not the like only people who will be practicing this. Will be over here and we're going to practice English, and there may be some of the people who would like to come and join with us. So we are welcoming everyone. We'll be sharing some of the contacting links. May it be like my Instagram where you can message me and we're going to practice together. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
yeah. So we'll round up this video or stream, whatever you called it, and let's start practicing English from tomorrow.
Thank you. So, bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.